Over the last 18 months, my developers, the guys that I just mentioned, the guys that I work with all the time, some of my best friends in the world, and the people that I really like to work with, they moved from being full-time hand-to-keyboard developers to not getting replaced. And this is, I think, is really key to understand. I don't think good developers are going to be replaced by this technology. They're going to be promoted. My guys, in specific, they went from writing code line by line, managing to now managing dozens of AI agents. Okay. So these individual agents are anywhere from like junior developer all the way up to like senior security auditor and that kind of thing. These are all, they live in a folder on their computers. Work is assigned by a project manager agent that then filters out everything into where the work is supposed to go, how it's supposed to do it, who gets to check, what are the quality checks along the way, what, how many sprints are being done, like all the kind of stuff that if you live in a software development environment can be managed now entirely by a good senior level dev or two, or they can even work in teams and then they can coordinate underneath them. Each one of your developers can have 100 juniors that get to work with them, and including explaining their ideas. Like once they're done with a huge pull request, they merge something and it's kind of complicated and they say, hey, give me an Eli 5 one-pager as to what I just pushed so I can push this up to management so they understand what the heck we just built and why it matters and that kind of thing. And so they don't have to go talk to internal marketing comms department. They can just tell an agent to explain what they've just built up to management, how to bill for it, how to push it. If it's a new feature that maybe the company wants to try to sell, maybe put together a simple marketing plan, all these kind of things. So this allows the true one-person business model, or it allows you to work inside of an organization, but be able to talk directly in ways where you maybe would have had to set a meeting and then everybody's got to do a walkthrough and say, look, just make a deck. Have the new thing that I just created, explain it to my boss or my partners or whatever else, or to my clients, and give them the deck. And so it'll do everything.